My project is the application that will help students to improve their memory and boost their brain power and also improve their cognitive skills. I had the same problem during my studies. I had problem with retaining information, and when the semester is over, I didn't remember a lot of things that I have studied. So we decided to launch the application that will help students improve their memory. I changed the field, so I was studying hospitality and experience management, and since I took the master's in marketing, it really helped me to understand how the marketing works on the market, how I should aim, for example, and distinguish the customer segmentations, how I can implement even the marketing strategy for my thesis project. Totally yes, because through doing you learn. So as we doing the projects, I'm doing by learning. So I was studying, I was researching the problem, and it really helped me to come up with interesting ideas.